I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'll show you how to make a Google Calendar event private on your Android device. One important thing to keep in mind is that after making this change, while this Google Calendar event will no longer be public, people you've shared this event with will still be able to see it. Step 1. Open the Google Calendar app on your Android device, and then tap the event you want to make private. A window opens with information associated with that event. Step 2. Tap the Edit icon at the top of this window. A new window opens where you can edit information associated with this specific event in your Google Calendar on your Android device. Step 3. Scroll down to find Default Visibility and then tap Default Visibility. A menu pops up where you can change the default visibility for this specific item. And again, if you don't see a default visibility option in this list, that means that you've elected to make this entire Google Calendar private, and therefore this calendar event is already private, and the only people who can see it are people you've shared it with. Step 4. Tap to select Private and then tap Save. This specific event in your Google Calendar will be made private and no longer visible to the public. However, you should keep in mind that people you've shared this event with will still be able to see it. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.